हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द गाइडली। कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो आई होप सो अच्छे होंगे, घर पे रहें, सेफ रहें। ठीक है। सो दिस वीडियो इज टू जस्ट इन्फॉर्म दोज स्टूडेंट who are interested and want to avail the scholarship program. So how you can avail this program? As you all know that someday before I came with the live, or I think I have uploaded a video regarding that how you can attempt the scholarship live mock test. So many of the students were asking that sir, I don't have laptop, I don't have desktop. So guys, don't worry, you have mobile now. So just open mobile, open a Google Chrome and open guidely.in. You can take the test from there. Sir, on which date the test going to be conducted for scholarship live scholarship program? That is on 25th April. So this video will be in Hindi as well as English also. So those students who want to know the information about the scholarship program, I will explain each and everything one by one. Okay, don't worry guys. Okay, so scholarship program live mock test will be going to be conducted on 25th April at 10 a.m. So from 10 a.m. to 10:10 tak, you have to go and attempt that mock. After that you can't able to attempt that. Okay, first of all, you can use mobile, you can use laptop, you can use desktop. Okay, in mobile don't use application. Again and again I am saying, don't use application. Okay, go and open the Google Chrome and Guidely, visit guidely.in and log in your details. Okay, now this is the things all about the how you can go and attempt on which date. So this live mock test will be conducted on every month of last Sunday of that month will be the last Sunday. Okay, so now I am going to switch my screen and I will tell you how you can fill the form, what are the details. So I will tell you. Okay, just a second. Just type these things: Guidely scholarship program. I can show you, zoom it. Okay, now if you enter it, you will see the very first link. Open the very first link. Okay, now the complete detail of Guidely scholarship program is given here. We have planned to best to you with the something in return as a thank credit to your huge support and love. So this is from the Guidely itself, guys. So if you want a more detail, you can click on this Meenakshi ma'am video. You can go and check it out. These things she explained very well, and all the things in clear man. So about the Guidely scholarship program, Guidely is going to pay the exam fees. It is clearly mentioned that Guidely is going to pay the exam fee for all deserving aspirants for all major bank insurance exams. So the exam fees will be paid by the us like SBI clerk जो भी आने वाला है. देखिए अब अभी बहुत से स्टूडेंट पूछें सर कब आएगा. सो अभी थोड़ी सी पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई एकदम पीक पे चल रही है. थोड़ा सा उसको डाउन होने तो एग्जाम्स तो होंगे, नोटिफिकेशन तो होंगे ही होंगे, है ना. सो SBI क्लर्क, SBI PO, IBPS RRB, IBPS PO, IBPS क्लर्क, IBPS SO, LIC AAO, LIC ADO तक का आपका गाइडली पे करेगा फीस. ठीक है. सो हाउ टू अवेल दिस स्कॉलरशिप. देखो भाई कैसे अवेल करना है. सबसे पहले मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि I have already explained that there will be a two steps that you have to attend the live online mock test, and personal interview will be online mode. In the live online mock test, we will pick those student on the basis of minimum cutoff. Okay, so those student who clear the cutoff, they will be selected for the this scholarship program. Okay, now after that the last stage will be the personal interview. So our team will call by using Zoom or something else. We will tell you later on. Okay, so how click this form if you are interested to avail this scholarship. So you just click on this. You just see, fill all those students who have already filled this form. Don't need to fill again and again, guys. Don't make the data redundancy. Okay, data redundancy mat banao. So you just those who are very new, you just go and fill this form and avail this scholarship program. Guys, this is a very good opportunity to all of you guys. You just avail this opportunity. Okay, so now at last I will tell you just that, guys. Remember the dates that on 25th April, today is 23, 24 and 25, means day after tomorrow you have your exams for this Guidely scholarship program. If you have any kind of doubt, you can comment it, we will reply. Okay, tata, bye bye guys, have a nice day.